minus 1. Same denominator, 12 ones are 12, so 13 minus 12 upon 12, so 1 upon 12. So 12 cancel, you get x equals to 1. That is the required answer. Next, find the least number which must be subtracted from 70 to 30 to make it a perfect square. It means this number is not a perfect square. Some number needs to be subtracted from this so that the resulting number will be a perfect square. So find the square root by division method. This we have studied already in 6th, 7th. So 70 to 30. So 8 8 is 64, 830, then 8 16 over here, 165 into 5, that is 825. Now remaining is 5. Now if you subtract this 5 from 70 to 30, then it becomes 70 to 25. So then it will be a perfect square. That's what the question is. So what needs to be subtracted? 5 needs to be subtracted. Okay. Next, if square root of 0.2304 upon square root of 0.2304, okay, the question is different. If square root of 0.2304 plus square root of 0.1764, the whole upon 0.23 square root of 0.2304 minus square root of 0.1764 equals to x, then find x. First find the square roots of both the things. So what are the square roots? Division method. 0.2304, okay, groups of 2 to each. So 4, first is 0, 0 point as it is, then 4 4 the 16, 7 remains 0 4, then 88, 8, then 8 8 is 96, and 8 8 is 88 into 8, 704, and then 0. So 0.48 is the square root. Now one point you note over here, how to check which number should be multiplied. 4, should I take 4 or 5 or 6 or whatever. So here see this. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.